Welcome to the Barnes Extra. In this episode, I thought it would be a good idea to let you see what's been going on at Eco Classics. And there's a lot happening. We have the Formula Foundation race car, that's currently in having a few tweaks. We have a rather nifty beach buggy. The Porsche 911 is nearly completed. The Spitfire has the battery boxes and motor in place. And we also have a new E-Type in build. But the main reason for this episode is the Land Rover Defender. We featured this one back in January. So Nick, over to you.
Okay, let's give you a taste of what it's like to actually drive in this thing. I have been out in it once just now and it scared me. Mainly the steering. So I haven't spent that much time driving Land Rovers, petrol ones or electric or diesel. So it's pretty quick off the line. We've put a speed limit in, mainly because the steering is so scary. There's so much slack in the steering wheel that you can actually find it quite difficult to keep it going in a straight line. So we need to go spend a bit of time on the steering box. Go, that's a bit of fun. Don't spend a bit of time on the steering box. So we're doing about 40 miles an hour at the moment, which is probably about as fast as I want to go. So it's quite a lot of noise from the transfer box as well, which I'm a little bit unhappy about. So we probably need to spend a bit of time on that as well. See if we can improve it. There is no sound deadening in here. Which is a bit of a problem. We're straight through a hole into the motor and the transfer box. So it's probably noisier than I really wanted. I've got a bit of work to do on that as well. This car is going to go to Jersey and be driven on the beach, right? So the speed limit over there is 30 miles an hour. So actually,
So the Defender ended up with a 120 kilowatt motor and a 2-to-1 reduction box, which is exactly what we put inside the Stag. But the motor and the gearbox connect up to the transfer box, so you still have all-wheel drive with the high and low range. There's no fast charge on this one, but the 44 kilowatt battery gives you around 100 mile range. So join us next time down at the Barnes, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.